Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tillotson Carburetor Rebuild Kit is probably one of the most essential investments for anyone looking to restore the performance of their small engine. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this kit provides all the necessary components to breathe new life into your carburetor, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency and engine performance. This video will guide you through everything you need to know. Number 5. RK88HL Carburetor Rebuild Kit. Are you experiencing issues with your two-cycle equipment? This RK88HL Carburetor Rebuild Kit is designed to restore optimal performance. It's a reliable solution for various models. This kit is compatible with Tillotson RK113HL and RK114HL. It fits models like 08, 09, 070, and 090 chainsaws, as well as TS350 and TS360 cutoff saws. It's designed for a wide range of equipment. This kit works with home-like models with Tillotson HL series carburetors. It's also compatible with various two-cycle Tillotson carburetors. This kit offers broad compatibility. This RK88HL kit is a common repair solution for string trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws. It is used on equipment from brands like Poulan, Weed Eater, Ryobi, and more. It's a versatile choice. All original parts are backed by a 180-day return policy. Purchase this kit with confidence, knowing that it is a quality product. It is a reliable choice for your equipment. What we like. This kit offers extensive compatibility, fitting various two-cycle equipment. It's designed to work with numerous brands. If you have multiple machines needing repair, this kit is a versatile choice. What people say. This kit got my old Homelight C51 running like new. Used for an old chainsaw. Got the old thing up and running. Made my 1956 McCulloch chainsaw run like new, has been sitting for 60 years plus. Replaced the carb parts which all fit perfectly and started right up. Number 4. Tillotson RK23HS Carburetor Rebuild Kit. Are you experiencing issues with your two-cycle equipment? This kit is designed to help you restore its performance. It's a reliable solution for your string trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws. This rebuild kit is compatible with various brands. It fits models from Poulan, Weed Eater, Ryobi, and many more. You can easily find the right fit for your equipment. This kit replaces Tillotson part numbers RK17HS and RK23HS. It's a common carburetor repair kit. You can ensure a perfect fit and function. This kit is compatible with numerous chainsaw models. It fits models from Johnsard, Dolmar, and Echo. It ensures your chainsaw runs smoothly. This kit includes high-quality replacement parts. It's designed to restore your equipment to its original performance. You can rely on it for durability and efficiency. What we like. This kit comes in a convenient pack of 2, providing great value. It is also compatible with a broad range of models. If you are a professional or have multiple machines, this is a smart choice. What people say. Installed one kit so far and works good. Works on a Makita DCP 7321 and 7311 with Tillotson Carb. Couldn't find a RK31HS kit so I tried this one, only difference is the gasket to the air cleaner. Arrived on time and does the job well. Number 3. Tillotson RK23HS Carburetor Repair Kit. Are you having trouble with your carburetor? This repair kit is designed to fix it. It is compatible with Tillotson parts RK23HS, RK23HS, and RK23HS. This kit is specifically designed for Tillotson HS model carburetors. It's the perfect solution to get your equipment running smoothly again. This will help you get the job done. The kit is built to withstand up to 30% ethanol. This ensures the longevity and reliability of the parts. You can be confident in its durability. This high-quality repair kit is made in Brazil. It's manufactured to meet the highest standards. You can trust its quality and performance. With this kit, you can easily repair your carburetor. It includes all the necessary components for a complete overhaul. Get your equipment back in action quickly. What we like. This kit is designed to resist up to 30% ethanol, ensuring durability. It's also made in Brazil. If you are concerned about fuel compatibility and quality, consider this kit. What people say. Worked perfect for an old vintage chainsaw I acquired. Kit contained all of the parts one needed for the rebuild of my McCulloch Pro Mac 850. All the parts fit as they should. The saw now runs like a top. Number 2. Hicello Carburetor Repair Kit for Tillotson. This is the Hicello Carburetor Repair Kit. It's designed to replace the Tillotson RK88HL series. This kit includes 11 components to get your equipment running smoothly again. The package includes replacement parts for Tillotson RK88HL. You'll receive a set of 11 components, make sure you check the quantity upon arrival. This kit is compatible with a wide range of brands. It works with Tillotson, Poulan, Toro, Ryan, Steel, Ryobi, Homelite, WIZ, and Zip. You can easily compare the parts. This kit fits many Homelite models, including 4-20, 5-20L, and 6-22. It also works with various other models from different brands. This ensures a perfect fit for your needs. It's a replacement for Tillotson HL series carburetors. The kit is designed to restore the performance of your equipment. Ensure you check the model number for compatibility. The Hicello carburetor repair kits are made of high-quality materials. It's built for durability and long service life. Contact us for professional support if needed. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of brands. It also includes all the necessary components for a complete repair. If you are looking for a comprehensive and reliable solution, you should consider this. What people say. The kit had everything I needed to rebuild the carb. The kit fit perfectly and the engine runs like new. Everything was there and the engine runs great. Number 1. Stens 615-112 Carburetor Kit for Tillotson HU model. This is a Stens 615-112 carburetor kit. It's designed to work with Tillotson HU model carburetors. This kit is a genuine Tillotson replacement part. The kit is compatible with Tillotson HU model carburetors, including RK13HU and RK14HU. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your equipment running smoothly. This is a genuine Tillotson replacement part, ensuring quality and compatibility. You can trust it to meet the original manufacturer's specifications. The kit is new and bulk packed. It's ready for installation and comes with everything you need to get the job done. Always consult your owner's manual for proper part number identification and installation instructions. This will help ensure the best performance. Please refer to the compatibility list to verify that this kit is the correct part for your specific equipment. This will help ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This kit is a genuine Tillotson replacement part, ensuring quality and reliability. It also provides easy identification. If you are looking for a trusted and straightforward replacement, this is the right choice for you. What people say. I like that it fit perfectly and works as it should. This kit had every part one needed for the Tillotson HU15 series carb in my Pioneer P25 and I'm sure many other saws with HU series carburetors. Can't beat the Stens quality and value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.